The nightingale understood the secret of the sorrow, so she spread her wings, took flight, and soared into the air.
Give me a red rose, and I will sing you my sweetest song.
My roses are as white as the foam of the sea, and whiter than snow on the mountain. But go see my sister, who grows round the old sea and perhaps she will be emotional.
Thank you, my friend.
Be safe on your way.
The nightingale flies over to the said tree.
Give me a red rose, and I will sing you my sweetest song.
My roses are yellow as the air of the wilderness, the seasons on my mountain. And yellower than the daffodil, the rose as a lily, before the hour comes to the sun. But go to my sister, who grows the sweetest sweet, and her promise, she will give you what you need.
Thank you, my friend.
Keep safe.
The nightingale flies over to the said tree.
Give me a red rose, and I will sing you my sweetest song.
My roses are red, yes, as red as the feet of the dove, and redder than the great flags of coral that wave and wave in the ocean. But the winter was harsh, the steel that chilled my veins, and the frost sustained my bones. The storm has broken my branches, and I shall have no roses always.
For once in my life, I've done something like this. To be an advocate of their love, and be a protector of this great age. One red rose is all I want. One red rose. Is there no way by which I can get it?
There is a way, but it is so terrible I dare not tell it to you.
Tell it to me. I'm never afraid.
The tree looks hurried, pauses, but tells it anyway. The tree speaks slowly, as if weighing each word she says.
If you want a red rose, you must build it out of music by the love, and stain it with your own heart. You must sing to me with your breast and its core. All night long you must sing to me, and the thorn must pierce your heart. And your lifeblood must flow into my veins, awaken my unresponsive body.
That is a great price to pay for a red rose. And life is very dear to all. But love is better than life. And what is the heart of a bird compared to the heart of a man? Be happy, for you will have your rose.
All that she asked of him in return is that he be a true lover. For love is wiser than philosophy. Though she is wise and mightier than power, though he is mighty. The student looks up and listens, but understands nothing of this. When the moon shone in the heavens, the nightingale flew to the